Hi, Jam! Welcome to
Hi,
the Mindset
Nika.
Magic. Yes!
Yeah, so
Welcome.
glad to be here. Buti
Finally.
nakaabot ako, no? Sinomove siya.
Ang galing gumawa ni Jam ng space for this. Welcome
Ay,
to the
syempre, anything for
podcast.
you.
Oh, Jam. Dito scripted.
Oh my
Grabe.
gosh. Hey.
Oh my God. I'm sure sobrang na-excite na yung people rin to know yung mga hacks. What makes a top-notcher?
Ay,
Jam,
ano
please
lang ako,
introduce yourself.
normal person lang ako.
We'll know kung gaano
Ayan.
siya ka-normal, if normal siya.
Ay, naku.
Please introduce yourself,
Ayan,
Jam.
ayan.
What are you working on now? Anong gusto mong malaman ng audience about you?
Okay, so I'm Micaela Alba.
Ika.
People call me Jam sa work, my friends, ayan. So, I'm Jam. I'm batch 2022 from UP and I passed the board exams no 2024 and 2023
Ay,
2024 tayo
work to.
2024 top 6 so ayon I am a working as a business development officer in an interior design firm and furniture manufacturing company. So, Sunny Design Collective, woot woot, and Arcsmith.
Shout
So,
out.
um,
Welcome to Mindset Magic with Mika, where we unlock clarity, courage, confidence, creativity, and connections so you can show up as your most expressed, most aligned, most unstoppable self. If you are ready to shift into your main character energy and design a life that feels as good as it looks, you're in the right place. I'm Mika Doria, your interior designer, your Mindset Magic Muse, branding goddess. Let's dive in.
for the audience today, I hope that my story will be able to help future idol takers and retakers as they go along on their idol journey this year and the succeeding years as well. So, yeah.
Thank you, Jam. So I'm sure super excited na malaman yung mga secrets of a top-notcher. But before that, syempre, what made you pursue interior design?
Whew, what a question. Well, to be frankly honest, no, ID was not my first choice. I think this
Classic.
answer was like, oh, classic answer. Oo, I took the exam sa Big Four and sa lahat ng mga schools na yon, engineering talaga ako. So,
Ah!
I took sa UP, Chem-Eng, sa ibang school, Industrial Eng, ganyan. So, interior design was more of an influence to me. Ano, from my
Hmm.
sister. Kasi she is an architect and parang ako, sabi ko, ayoko na mag-architecture para gusto ko yung magko-complement kaming dalawa. So,
Oh, so
ayun,
smart.
nung habang titingnan ko yung list of programs, I saw yung interior design nga. And then, sabi ko, why not? Um, isang school lang yung pinaglagyan ko nun, that is UP. And isang choice lang siya. And, well, luckily, ayun, naging idea ko. First few years of my college life, parang ako, dun ko pa lang talaga kinikilala. Kasi, medyo tamad ako nung nag-a-apply ako, so I didn't really search for it. I knew that interior design is more of the interior and art is
Mhm.
exterior. I know the parang general dynamic sa construction. And then, as siguro, papunta na sa latter year, second to fourth year,
Mhm.
I was able to know more about ID. And then, sabi ko, I'll stay. And, ayun,
Ah!
I pursued it na, even here, as a interior design firm ako. Ayun.
Mhm. Curious ako dun, kasi 'di ba like you stayed for ID, ta's yun nga you took the boards pa. Was there a
Mm-mm.
defining moment that made you say na, "Oh, ID, this is for me," gano'n?
Yeah, well, ano, so medyo unfiltered pala yung mga sinasabi ko 'no. But
Okey
yeah,
lang.
we love the rawness of it. Anyway, so sa college kasi, sa program ng ID, mayroong halo na Archi and ID subjects. So that is when I was really siguro parang able to get a general picture of how architecture looks like if I took it, and then how interior design looks like if I took it. So architecture is more of the math and the sciences, and along with the
Mm.
creative side. And then ID is more on the creative side. Although there's also it's a different parang take on science and math.
Mm.
And I like that it has the freedom to really express yung creativity mo. So sabi ko, I think I'll stay in ID kasi parang mas inclined yung na-visualize ko na career for me if I stay here. Ganun.
And sobrang bagay ka rin sa ID Jam. Just
Thank
to
you.
share na yung mga plates ni Jam, grabe like alam mo talaga na ito yung classmate ko na ang galing mag-drawing.
Oh my
Marami sila,
God.
pero yun, among the ano talaga si Jam. Wow.
Grabe. Thank you. Ayun.
Yes. And yun, since that was the moment na you said, okay, like ID, this is for me. Syempre, the
Mm.
next question there is, did you know na there was gonna be a licensure exam for ID?
Um, yeah, oo, nung pumasok
What?
ako, alam ko na may licensure exam siya. Kasi, ewan ko, habang naghahanap ako ng mga programs, sine-search ko na rin at the same time kung may licensure ba sila. So,
Ah, smart.
ayun, nakita ko yung Archie, alam ko naman na merong licensure, ganyan. So, ID, parang naging interested pa ako na, oh, meron palang ID or may idol.
Hmm,
So,
oo.
nung nakita ko yung PRC ID ko, parang pang 4,059 ako. So, okay, ang konti lang pala na ID sa
Konti pa lang
Philippines. Oo.
natin. Oo nga.
Oo. Yeah, glad to be one. And you too.
Mm,
Oo.
totoo. Hala, grabe siya. Just to share, no? Like, for the previous na interviews, parang
Mm.
most of us, we didn't know na
Totoo.
na
Talaga
may
ba?
licensure exam until nung syempre freshie tayo. Tas UP,
Oo.
sasabihin talaga na, oh, like, we are the top performer sa, di ba?
Totoo.
Sa board exam.
How was it for you though na na
Mm.
parang, uy, may licensure pala tayo. Parang ID,
Nakakagulat.
para sa'yo ba, ID was like how you imagine it before you came dun sa
Hmm.
UP?
I feel like UP changed how I saw ID kasi parang coming into it, hindi naman madalas nadi-discuss agad yung psychological aspects that come with
Mm.
ID, 'di ba? Parang
Yes,
it's really
yes.
just, oh, okay, the art, the furniture, like the classic stereotype on ID. Pero
Mm.
coming into UP, parang nagulat ka na, ay, oo nga pala, there's people to care about. There's meaning behind this design, there's intention behind it, and there's service
Mhm.
in using interior design. Parang yun yung ano sa akin, like really, really allowed me to accept the idea na, ay oo, may board exam. Kasi we're like dealing with people here and their lives. It has to be a
Mhm.
profession. Nasagot ka,
Yeah.
Sir Jao.
Yes.
Mm.
You're also
Na paano ka?
accountable for especially now that parang pag nagpa-practice ka na ng profession, na feel mo yung degree of
Yeah.
accountability on the things that you parang put into the design. That's why parang when people say na it's just about aesthetics, ganyan, I always say na parang, di ba basic hygiene na yung aesthetic?
Hmm?
So there's something deeper into it na um dapat mong punan. Like for example, it has to be research based. You
Yeah.
have to really know about the client kasi sila yung magiging user of the space. And if I remember, one of our professors told us
Mm.
na parang um yung nagiging pinakaka-close ng client is the interior designer. Kasi
Oo,
ultimo
talaga.
habang nagsho-shopping ka kasama mo sila, nakukuwento na nila lahat.
Totoo.
So yeah.
Totoo. So, it's not really just about, "Ay, eto maganda." You'll also go back to, "Wait lang, pasok ba 'to sa lifestyle niya?" Ang
Yes,
galing 'no?
oo.
It's not preference, it's more of like lifestyle talaga,
Mm.
integrated. Wow, I love
And the
that.
foresight as well na parang
Hmm.
of course, when parang halimbawa, you are a designer for let's say, a couple na
Mm.
newlywed, ganyan, and then they are wanting to have their first vacation home or ano, family home,
Mm.
ganyan. Parang sila, for example, very short-sighted pa na parang, okay, bata pa kami. But later on, ikaw pa yung magpo-point out na magkakaroon sila ng anak if gusto
Mm.
nila. And eventually, tatanda din sila. So that will affect how your design will play out eventually. Like, for example, putting a room on the ground floor kapag halimbawa may
Hmm.
elderly, ganyan,
Mm.
accessibility-wise. So, ayun.
Totoo, future proofing is part. See, this
Yes.
is this is why it's a profession.
Right.
And because of
Yeah.
that, we asked Jam, why did you decide to take the licensure exam?
Okay, wow. So, deciding, um, for me, siguro top of mind answer would be, it's a closure sa aking college life.
Yeah.
Oo. So, noong 2023, this is the time when two of my colleagues um took and topped the board exam, by the way.
Yes.
Um, I was supposed to review with them or take the exam with them. So, oo. So, parang first few months, siguro mga
Hindi ko
January,
alam
Feb,
yun, parang hindi ko alam
oo,
yun. Wow. Mm.
Jan to Feb, ayun, medyo nakiki-review-review pa ako. And then it came to me na parang hindi ko kaya. Parang ayoko mag-take
Hmm.
ngayon. So, there's always that gut feeling na parang, um, if I take it now, hindi ko mailalabas yung best. Parang gano'n.
Hmm.
So,
Wow, kinilabutan ako sa sinabi mo diyan.
so
Grabe,
I took a year off. So I followed my gut and then sabi ko next year ako magte-take. But ayun, it also came with a parang accountability sa sarili ko na
Mhm.
pag sinabi ko next year ako magte-take, next year talaga. So,
Hmm.
nung time na yon, siguro nung last year, ayan, nung malapit na yung idol season ulit, ganyan. Syempre, magkakaroon ka ulit ng doubts na parang, magte-take ba ako ulit ngayon? Can I just bail out again? Ganyan. And then,
Hmm.
this time, parang mas buo yung feeling ko na, yeah, I can do this. And then, ayun, I'm glad na I did. So, the reason for me ay, number one, gusto ko magka-license. And then I think it opens a lot of opportunities kapag
Hmm.
ka licensed ka ng designer. And also siguro parang self na rin, self-assessment na
Hmm.
as someone na hindi nag-gap year and dumiretso agad sa workforce right after
Totoo.
graduation. Parang how different am I now as a designer, as a practicing designer compared when I was just a fresh grad. So, paano yung atake ko sa plates, sa design
Mm.
problems? It's all different now that I think about it.
Ang
Ayun.
galing, nag-adopt talaga rin sa journey mo yung ano, yung working and then following
Yes.
your gut na, "Wait, hindi muna now." Grabe yun,
Oo,
kinilabutan
it was, grabe, sobrang ano siya, parang it was a courageous decision for me.
Mm.
Parang alam mo, retreating is not really a sign of weakness, but a sign of
Yeah.
courage as well. Kasi parang
Hmm.
that time, kahit na hindi ako nadala sa peer pressure and
Mm. That's
so
true.
guys, if you feel that the time is not right, then you have every reason to say no. But ayun,
Oh!
but be accountable for what happens next and be sure na hindi mo siya tatalikuran, like all in all. Babalikan mo pa rin siya. You're just saving up your energy for when the right time comes. You'll go full on. Ayun.
Ang galing. Parang feel ko tuloy like naging factor rin yun on what made you to the top rin. Kasi siyempre buo na yung loob mo tapos
Yes.
that was you like keeping your promise to yourself na I
Mm-mm.
said na next year magte-take na ako, and it's gonna be like my best na, 'di ba? Like
Yes, yes. Parang ganon.
galing.
Oo.
Wow. The power of making promises to yourself and actually keeping it. Grabe. So, si
Totoo,
Jam.
Diyos ko parang kulang na lang may promise ring ako para ma-remind ako na, "Hoy,
Ano,
nag-promise ka."
now
Oo,
do it.
totoo.
Tapos Jam, 'di ba, like, we know naman na pagdating sa board exam, may top notchers nga and may mga nagwo-wonder rin na how has passing and like topping
Hmm.
impacted your career and daily life?
Oh, okay. Well, siguro yung right after the passing part,
Mhm.
there's the high and the hype. Parang, naitawid ko yun.
Oh.
And, um, genuine happiness, I would say parang a lot of people, they were sharing na, oh, yung kapatid ko, yung pinsan ko, pumasa siya,
Oo.
ganyan. And at the same time, parang it opened a lot of opportunities for me to talk more about interior design.
Ah,
Ang daming nagugulat na, "Uy, buhay pa pala yung ID na profession." I mean, I
grabe.
I I really
Oo.
met like
Yeah, yeah.
a person na he's very, parang veteran na siya in the field and, allied profession naman siya 'no. So, um, for the longest time, he was working with architects and engineers,
Mm.
and then when he met interior designers, he was really surprised na parang, "Wow, guys, where have you been hiding?" So, it was really a parang great moment na
Mm.
ma-show mo na parang ano ba yung ID? Of course, yung
Mm.
pag-pass ng licensure exam, it gives you the confidence na parang may gravitas akong magsabi ng ganito. Kasi kasi I'm already licensed, ganyan. And after the boards, siguro, along with the hype, parang at the
Mm.
end of the day naman, you're still back to your usual self, normal self
Mm.
na parang don't let it get to you, na to your head, na parang hindi porket top ka or like parang pumasa ka na
Hmm.
i ano pa rin, kung paano ako makitungo sa ibang tao, eh, especially like for example sa site, sa mga workers, ganyan. Gano'n pa rin naman. Um, except that parang may IDR na sa pangalan ko.
Oo.
Ayun. Ayun.
May title na? Grabe, I love the
Totoo.
ano, I
Hi,
love
dear
the
Mika.
heart that grabe Jam. That's a really, really, really good point na you said. Kasi I also say nga sa people na during the open forum rin, na the board exam is not really a test on how great you are as a designer, but really
Yes,
preparedness rin eh. So I like na you
totoo.
said na it doesn't change like the way
Mm.
you are to other people. Ang ganda nun.
Yeah.
Oo.
Ayan. Yun.
So dive tayo Jam sa exam prep mo
Ay, ito
and
na
like
pala.
strategies.
Okay.
Daming ano. And I'm sure maraming nagsho-shopping for techniques
Oh my
right now.
gosh. Sige, tingnan natin kung may maiaambag pa ako.
Oo
Okay.
naman.
Ah,
So first is, ano yung mga study techniques or resources that really help you pagdating
mhm.
sa memorization and retaining key concepts, gano'n? Mhm.
Preparation 'no? Ako, sige, for me, medyo iba yung approach ng review ko, I would say.
Hmm.
It's very different compared to pagka nag-enroll ka sa review center. I mean, before
Mm.
I took the set exams naman nung college, I had an experience kung paano ba nagwo-work yung review center setup, ganyan. I'm not sure
Mm.
since I haven't enrolled in one during the idle season, but in my experience, it was a um self-study slash company study. So, ayun,
Grabe,
parang kami
combo.
may review center kami sa sa
Mm.
office, ganyan. Um, I guess I'm really blessed. I would say I'm really blessed with the set of people, my batchmates na who took the test with me. Um, I had the same resources. So, for example, meron ako nung sa CDEP, meron ako nung Shopee reviewers. So, tawag dito, I also had tried yung flashcards, ganyan. But what
Hmm.
really helped me sa preparation ay mock exams. So,
Ah.
yung review ko kasi, it's like 60% doon sa design part na naka-focus. So, more of
Mm.
the design. And then 40% is the ACADS part.
ACADS.
ACADS part, oo.
Mm.
So, it was funny kasi parang nung time din na yun, parang nangangapa-ngapa pa kami paano ba i-approach tong design yung third day. And then,
Mm.
parang nagulat on the side, parang sarili mo ng accountability yun na yung sa ACADS. Ikaw yung bahala doon.
Oo nga.
So, ayun, ako yung ginawa ko ay binasa ko lang. I did the ano, yung tatlong reading sa
Oh.
na rule. So, parang yung first reading, you just skim it. No need to
Hmm.
memorize anything, just be familiarized with the concepts, the keywords. So yung gamit ko doon ay yung CDEP reviewer. Kasi ang kapal niya eh, sobrang
Kapal
kapal
nun.
niya. Oo,
Grabe.
ako tinanggap ko na yung fact na hindi ko siya memorize lahat. So, so
Pero natapos mo
ayun.
basahin?
Yeah, natapos ko siyang
Galing
basahin,
mo
yung CDEP.
diyan.
Kasi yung pinapasadahan ko lang siya, parang siya yung pampatulog ko sa gabi. Ayun. And then, yung second reading ko naman, that's where you take notes. Yung second reading, yun yung meron na akong highlighters. And then, meron akong sticky notes. So, nakikiuso ako, nagkidikit-dikit din ako ng mga sticky notes.
Aesthetic.
Oo, for the aesthetic. Pero yung favorite ko part is the flashcards. So,
Hmm.
um, ayun. So, marami akong flashcards. Yung mga nabibili lang sa Shopee na tig ₱10. Ganon. So, habang nagte-take ako ng notes, nagsusulat na rin ako kasi mas okay for me yung
Ah,
recall kapag sinulat ko. Alam mo,
in the
parang 'pag
second
nag-exam
read?
ka na sa page 10, nasa
Oo.
baba, bottom right
Ang
corner.
galing.
Parang gano'n. And then yung third, actually di ako umabot ng third kasi kapos na ako sa time. Pero
Okey.
I think that yung third, yung ginawa kong supplemental for that would be the mock exams. So, you wouldn't believe, pero mismong day ng exam, 'di ba, parang um, ina-advise nila na wag na akong mag-review, na kayo magdala ng
Oo.
kung ano-ano, ganyan. Pero nung the day before of the subject na ite-take namin kinabukasan, meron akong mock exams na hawak. And yung mock exams na yun, sinasagutan ko
Wow.
siya. Tapos, yun yung test ko kung
Hmm.
papasa ba ako o
Na-retain.
hindi. So,
Oh,
meron akong
kaya
benchmark kung ilang percent yung kailangan kong i-beat. And
mm.
then, kapagka mataas yung score ko, confident na ako na magte-take nung exam. So,
Mm.
for me, I think, siguro in a nutshell, no, the IDOL exam is like a one big strategy game na kailangan
Grabe.
mong you have to work smart to be able to beat it. Hindi, of course, there's the long route na halimbawa kung marami
Mm.
ka namang time and parang masipag kang mag-memorize, magbasa, um, you can do the traditional method of memorizing concepts one by one. But there's also the parang mas smart na route na
Um,
first, you check alin bang part ng exam yung may malalaking points, and that is the
mm.
drawing part. So, sa drawing part, kaya yung flashcards ko marami siyang drawings kasi yun yung kinakabisado ko na parang yung
Hmm.
equivalent ng isang question na drawing part is parang 5 questions sa multiple choice part.
Ang
And
galing.
parang gano'n. So, in a way, parang parang pinipili mo ano yung mas makakapag-save sa'yo ng
Mm.
mabilis, ganyan. And then sa design part naman, concept bank. I believe, I saw
Hmm.
your post about it, no, na parang si
Yeah.
Kay ata, she
May
recommended
concept
the
bank
concept bank.
sige.
It
Mm.
really helps, um, to answer yung question na paano ba kayo nakakapag-isip ng concept on the
Mabilis,
spot.
oo.
Oo, we don't. You get ready, you get prepared for the battle.
Totoo yan, oo.
Kasi you have to have a bullet and then parang yung 8 hours mo, budgeted na budgeted lang siya.
Hmm,
So,
sobra.
kapagka halimbawa ako, in my experience, even during college days, mabilis akong ma-derail kapagka concept pa lang hindi ko na matumbok.
Mhm.
Kasi it affects
Hmm,
the way you design the
yeah.
space, the way you do your perspective.
Yung mood mo rin.
So, yung mood mo rin na parang, isang oras na, bakit nandito pa rin ako? Tapos ito lang yung nasulat ko. I mean,
Mm,
doing a write-up, parang some people may be gifted with like, parang kaya nilang magsulat on the spot.
on the spot,
But
yeah.
there are also people na parang, I don't know, overthinkers and perfectionists na erase ng erase.
Yes.
Sige, kailangan perfect, ganyan. So, ayun, it helps na maging prepared sa exam. So, ayun nga, you mentioned before na it's not a test of how great you are as a designer, but it is a test of preparedness because how you approach, how you strategize the exam, it's what
Mm.
determines kung papasa ka ba o hindi. So whether you say na parang hindi naman ako talented, hindi ako magaling mag-perspective, you can learn it. And then
Hmm.
that will parang be enough para ma-push through mo yung exam. Ayun.
Oh, grabe yung ano, yung words ni Jam.
Mhm.
After nito lahat sila may concept bank.
Totoo. Labanan na 'to ng ano, concept bang mga bagong concept. Well,
Shinare ko nga sa ano, sa open forum last time, Jam. Kaya I'm glad na ano, gano'n rin pala yung naging strategy mo. Kasi sa akin, may statement ako hanggang statement. Tapos,
mm.
pinlog and play ko lang siya during the exam. So,
Yes,
meron akong structure.
totoo. Sobrang ano siya, helpful talaga. I mean, siguro yung parang the way how you structure the concept and conceptualize about it is one thing. Pero believe it or not, there are also people who doesn't know na may concept paper pala. What's a concept? Parang gano'n. I encountered a few people na magte-take din ng exam nung time na yun and
Oh, no.
parang na ano, dun pa sila na-shock na, "Ano
Mm.
'to? Ano 'tong concept paper?" Little did they know na parang it's the heart of your design and it's the
Yes,
most important part. Ayun.
totoo. Kahit ikaw rin ba, like for the design part, inuna mo yung design concept statement?
Yes, oo.
Gano'n,
No,
oo.
I think
Mm.
sa design day, pagkabasa ko ng, problem, I have a highlighter with me, and then I
Mm.
highlight yung mga important parts. Kasi ang daming times na parang sobrang risky na meron kang makaligtaan na part
Mm.
na
Mm.
requirement. So it helps me parang ensure na everything is covered, especially with design strategies. And then after kong basahin yung design problem,
Yeah.
I go to the concept paper. Okay, concept bang? Pang-ilan ka? So, yun.
Gusto ko
And
yun.
then, yeah, pero hindi naman, like, yung concept bank mo, dapat flexible siya enough
Hmm,
para mag-fit siya dun sa problem. So, ayun, right after reading the problem, I knew exactly what I had to write. And then by after like
wow.
30 minutes, tapos na yung concept paper ko, I'm already
Hmm.
moving on to the next stages.
Mhm. Thank you for that, Jam. At dahil na-prime mo na ang next stages, paano nga ba ginagawa yung fast drafting skills? Many are asking about this kasi medyo popular rin na na hindi lahat nakakatapos ng sheets, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Hmm.
During my, well, during my review, I never finished a plate. A practice plate. The idle plate
Oo.
was the very first plate na natapos ko and parang I almost cried na so
Ay,
natapos ko siya
galing.
ganyan. Kasi parang every time, well, ako kasi I am an overthinker, a perfectionist, kailangan yung lines ko ano, parang point to
Malinis,
point,
gano'n.
kailangan malinis,
Oo.
ganyan.
Ang
Hindi
galing
ko siya
mag-draft ni Jam. Can I just say, malinis.
ayan, matagal
Mm.
lang talagang gumawa. So, I had to find a way to beat that
Hmm.
weakness kasi I am
Hmm.
under time pressure. And what I found na nag-work sa'kin is, number one, isa lang ang gamit kong pencil. Isa or
Wow!
dalawa. Dalawang magkaibang magkaiba na lead type. So, I think
Mm.
HB is the most flexible. And then yung isa,
Oo.
meron akong chisel type na pen. So, nabibili siya sa Shopee,
Ah,
guys.
pati
So,
chiseled meron na sa
oo, may
Shopee?
chiseled na. As in,
Grabe.
mechanical pencil siya. Tapos, may, yung lead niya, chiseled na. So,
Wow, grabe
yes,
job.
hack.
Smart. Sobrang
Oo.
smart.
So,
Mm.
ako, ay, siguro, parang blessed ako na kaya ko yung pressure control sa pen.
Hmm,
So, it's easy
mm.
for me na, um, parang mag-imitate ng mas lighter na line
Gawin
weight
oh,
and
yan.
heavier line weight. What's important naman kasi kapag ka, halimbawa nagda-draft ka, is makita mo at first glance ano yung different parang aspects of your
Elements ng
drawing, the elements of your
yeah.
drawing. So, for example, sa floor plan, ano bang you have to know kung ano yung pinaka-dark, pinaka-light, and then
Yes.
yung ano. Tapos once na ma-achieve mo yung dynamic doon sa drawing
Mm.
na yun, it doesn't matter kung malinis ba siya or hindi. Kasi, alam mo, kapag titingnan niya ng examiner, ano lang yan,
Hmm.
sunod-sunod lang yan. So, first impression, kailangan maganda yung itsura niya.
Hmm,
So,
visual impact.
yeah, visual impact is very important. So, ayun, drafting skills, um, ako, siguro magandang ma-familiarize ka with yung mga standard dimensions. Kasi
Hmm.
it helps na parang matansya mo siya, yung ma-train yung eye mo with eyeball, parang mag-eyeball ka ng
Oh,
dimensions.
nice.
And
Mm.
then, ayun, ako naman, I would say na parang kung ano yung mga important elements na may parang need ng heights, dimensions, sila yung mga sinusukat ko talaga. And then
Hmm.
other things, parang if kaya ko siyang i-freehand, then i-freehand ko, ganyan. So for example, naalala ko yung sa exam namin,
Idol? Hmm.
the idol, mostly freehand. Yun na lang yung sasabihin ko. Mostly
Hmm.
freehand yung ano kasi irregular. So,
Grabe ang galing mo
ayun.
naman diyan, freehand yun.
Kasi parang, paano mo naman siya iti-T-square and
Oo.
ita-triangle, di ba? So, yung madaling method would be putting boxes. Boxes lang ng
Hmm.
overall dimensions. You can add the details later on as long as pasok siya dun sa dimension na yun. Then it's good. And if it looks proportion
Hmm.
at parang pag malayo mo titingnan, edi okay na siya. Papasa na yan. So, ayun. Line weights for me. And then, yung technique, yung proper proportions. Ayun.
Mhm. Grabe sobrang important dun kasi just by siyempre hearing everything you said, it's really about being smart about it. Tapos meron ka pang mga hacks na you wouldn't normally think about na, "Ay puwede palang may chisel na bibili na lang." Imbes na ikaw yung naggaganon.
Sa tamad.
Grabe.
Tamad mag ano, mag-chisel ng mga pencil.
Lahat ng
Ayun.
shortcut. Wow,
Oo. I use the
wow.
Mech Pen pala, by the way. Iwas siya sa smudging.
Oh,
Tas yung lead
mm.
ko, smudge proof. So,
Wow, prepared talaga.
oo, magpa-plug na rin ako. So, I use yung ano yun? Yung Kurotoga na
Ay, ang ganda
nagro
nun. Hmm,
nagro-rotate yung LED niya. So,
mm.
it helps you avoid na magkaroon ng super sharp lines. So,
Mm.
mukha siyang uniform all throughout. Parang ako, it's so nice. Ganun.
Sobrang smart. Grabe, Jam.
Ay, oh my gosh, this is me spilling my secrets.
Sabi ko nga sa kanila, parang yung vision is ano, Jam, like, longer yung list ng passers this year,
uh
ng top
Yes.
notchers, 'di ba?
Oo, pataasin niyo na yung percentage ng passing. Ay,
Leap of the
nakakaba, eh.
field. Kaya nga, eh, 'no?
Totoo, dagdagan niyo na ang mga license IDRs.
Hmm, totoo yan.
Yeah.
Ah. Tapos with that jam, grabe. So we have the hacks pagdating sa tools and sa mismong drafting. And of
Mm.
course, syempre 'di ba like throughout the exam days, naka-spread out rin yung subjects. So,
Yes.
ano yung mare-recommend mo when it comes to balancing yung sections ng exam?
Oh.
Time
Like,
management, gano'n?
ano
Hmm.
ba? For me, sige, ito yung naalala ko nung nag exam ako. So, very important na 'wag mong masira yung answer sheet mo, 'di ba? So, what I do
Mm.
is I just put like little marks doon sa
Mm.
multiple choice. I just run it through very quick lang. First read, parang gano'n.
Mm.
So, kasi yun yung parang gut feeling answers ko. Kasi parang
Yeah.
kapag ka nagsasagot ka ng parang let's say multiple choice, ganyan, meron kang pitfall na ma-overthink mo yung choices. Parang, hala, may choice
Totoo.
A and B, parang pareho silang tama, pero I'm not sure na kung ano yung ilalagay ko. So, ayun, I think si Marlo shared to me na now lang na parang sabi niya, the gut feel is siya yung right one
Yeah,
most of the
sobra.
time.
Most of the time.
And kapagka nag-overthink ka na, ayun, masisira yung ano mo, instinct,
Strategy mo, eh, oo.
momentum. So, ayun, ako, first read, kung ano lang yung tingin kong tamang sagot. Sa exam, parang always double check your answers. And then, don't always, parang wag kang magtagal masyado sa isang number. Kasi, it's a trap na
Totoo.
ano, ang parang mindset mo dapat dito is kailangan matapos mo yung exam.
Mm.
Matapos mong masagutan lahat ng questions. Kasi at least yun, meron kang 25% chance per
Yeah.
point na makuha ng point.
Totoo.
So, ayun, yung first is just put little marks, ganyan. And then, kung kaya, ano yung pinakamagaan na pressure na kaya mo para hindi siya mag-stain. And then, yung second, yun yung pwede mo nang basahin ng maigi. And then see if parang eto pa rin ba yung sagot ko? If not, bakit? And then you just
Oo.
constantly ask yourself na bakit mo dinadoubt yung una mong sagot? And then
Hmm.
after that, if you still have time, then parang you can go a third read but don't dwell too much on like one subject kasi you have three subjects na
Yeah.
sunod-sunod.
Oo.
So, for example, ako sa color theory, alam ko matatagalan ako doon kasi ang
I-render pa.
daming
Oo.
nire-render. So, yung mga kasi yung parang nung time natin 'di ba parang nasa gitna yung color theory ta's after that is
Mm.
Prof Prac. So,
Oo.
'wag ka
Weird.
masyado you have to ano, parang allocate your time na ilang oras ba yung parang standard ko for a subject. And then, as much as possible, 'wag kang lalagpas dun kasi masa-sacrifice mo yung other subjects.
Hmm.
So, ayun, yung sa color theory, alam kong matagal siya. So, I allotted more time to it. And then I tried my best
Hmm.
na mag-work within that time frame. So, when I get to Prof Prac, then at least meron akong parang peace of mind na hindi ko kailangang magkamali. Alam mo, medyo nakaka-pressure din yung part na ang daming natatapos agad na examinees.
Oo.
So,
Tas
tumatayo
nasa
agad
harap ka
sila.
pa.
Oo. So, parang nung time na yun, konti na lang kami, ganyan. Huwag kayong magpapadala sa gano'n.
Mm.
Kasi, just take your time. Kasi at the end of the day naman, it's your paper, it's your score. So,
Totoo.
ayun. And for me, budget
Mm.
ng time. Talaga.
Budget your time
And
talaga.
then focus lang
Totoo.
sa kung ano yung ginagawa mo. Don't also forget to eat. So, it helps.
Hmm.
Ako magu-magu ano ako, magu-magu apologist ako. Kasi ano eh, it's parang all-in-one snack na siya. Meron kang inunguya, meron kang iniinom. And
May
then yung
dessert ka pa?
oo. And ako, parang meron akong food. Yung food ko nakalagay siya sa topmost part ng aking cart.
Hala, same
Kasi
tayo.
ano,
Foodie talaga, eh, 'no?
true, oo. One thing pa pala siguro like sa tools na dadalhin mo, wag ka masyadong OA.
Mm.
Only bring what you need. Kasi mahirap siyang iakyat, ibaba, and
Totoo.
hindi mo naman siya magagamit everything, I would say. Pero at least one of parang each type of tool, sana meron ka.
Hmm.
Even yung feeling mo na yung French curve, mukha siyang walang kwenta, you will use it eventually. Kung
Mm.
halimbawa i-call siya ng exam ta's kailangan mo siya, better nang um, meron kang naka-reserve. Pero like for me,
Yes.
ako sa pens naman, meron lang akong gamit na yung ano siya, yung hindi siya typical
Standard
pencil
mo.
case, yung
Ah, mm.
nasa spread out mo siya.
Ay, yung
Tapos
naka-roll?
Oo, yung naka-roll
Parehas
na 10 to
tayo.
6. Tas andun lang siya, magkakatabi yung mga pens ko. Tas ayun, kung ilan lang yung slots niya, yun lang yung ginamit ko.
Mm. Pero totoo
Ayun,
'yun 'no, kasi parang ano, coming into it feeling mo dapat lahat meron ka. Pero pagdating mo
oo.
dun, yung ginagamit mo sa ano, mga practice mo, 'yun lang rin yung gagamitin mo.
Totoo, ma-o-observe mo yun, na
Mm.
parang, okey ito lang pala yung ginagamit ko, ba't ang dami-daming nakalabas sa'kin.
Totoo. Like ito lang yung
Yeah,
nagagalaw ta's yung the rest wala lang, clutter lang.
totoo, totoo, totoo. Tas parang kapagka halimbawa, sa design part, ang liit lang naman ng table mo, okey, paano mo isa-strategize na ilagay lahat ng gamit mo dun? So
Pati yun
ayun,
part ng exam mo yun, yung pag-ano
yeah,
'no, yung
oo.
environment mo that time,
Paano yung
grabe.
flow mo na
Hmm,
magiging sobrang smooth niya for you, yung hindi ka makakatabig bigla ng
yeah.
mga kung ano-ano, ganyan, Diyos ko.
Yung tubig mo sa watercolor 'no?
Oh, ay naku. Horror story. Wag na.
Meron?
Hindi naman. I didn't use water well, I am a siguro sa lahat ng medium for rendering, pinaka-strong
Marker ka ba?
pinaka-strong ako sa markers and,
Oh, wow.
markers and pens. So, kung ano yung strong suit mo, dun ka mag-capitalize. I know maraming nagsasabi na parang
Hmm,
watercolor yung
hmm,
pinakamagandang gamitin kasi
yeah,
at such a short time marami kang mako-cover,
mabilis, mm.
oo. Pero puwede kang mag-train na mag-watercolor and then gawin ko lang siyang base, you didn't have to color the whole thing. Parang it's part depende sa
Hmm,
style mo kung paano mo siya ire-render na
mga
mukha pa
render
rin siyang
style.
ano, presentable, ayun.
Grabe buti na-touch kami sa rendering. Actually may mga nagtanong rin sa open forum nun na, oo nga 'no, anong rendering materials yung gagamitin ko? And at the end
Mm,
of it, really depends kung saan ka na rin magaling, saan ka sanay. Kasi siyempre skill
totoo.
yun, eh.
Ikaw ba, what did you use?
Watercolor
Ah,
as a
watercolor
ano,
girly.
anime girly, oo,
Ay.
anime manga girly.
Kasi takot ako sa watercolor, takot ako sa tubig.
Seryoso?
I mean,
Ah,
recently na nga lang ako natutulog lumangoy, like water in general is I'm allergic to it.
talaga
Oo.
ba?
'Pag watercolor kasi hindi mo controlled yung strokes, right? Yung boundaries of what
Hmm.
you're rendering.
Oo.
And hindi ako comfortable na parang kailangan mukha siyang finished siya agad sa'kin.
Ah,
So, I had to
okey.
kaya ako nag-markers kasi unang
Hmm.
stroke mo vibrant na siya and
Sure ka
then
na,
sure ka
mm.
na, yun lang. Parang you have to be sure kasi hindi mo na siya maa-undo unlike watercolor. So, nung nag-boards ako, mixed siya. Yung base ko watercolor just to be sure na parang eto na yung mga kulay nila,
Kulay nito.
ganyan. And then meron na akong overall picture. And then marker really puts the highlight and then white pen, guys. Sobrang helpful ng white pen. Highlights. Parang nagta-transform yung drawing mo kapagka ano, may shine siya. Ayun.
Partner ng marker yun, eh, 'no, yung white na ano,
Totoo.
white gel.
So good.
Grabe, bored sus nag-marker si Jam. Well, kung sobrang confident si Jam for the markers, that's her best friend.
Ay, totoo. I mean, 'di ba ever since parang nung
Kahit
na-idle,
nung
medyo
oo,
nanibago pa ako kasi parang ang tagal ko na hindi nagre-render. So pagka ano ko, 'pag
mm.
gano'n ko, "Huh, ang ano,
Gulat
ang
ka?
lakas." Nagulat ako, ganyan. So, ayun.
Mm.
It also helps din na may color palette ka na beforehand.
Oh, yeah.
Kasi halimbawa kung magma-markers ka, kailangan naman dalhin mo yung 100 pieces na markers mo. Eh, ayun. So,
May go-to ka
pa-colors.
lang,
Yeah,
totoo.
basic. Those lang
Buti
yun.
sinabi mo yun kasi ano rin, parte yun ng na-mention ko. Kasi pagdating sa rendering, 'di ba, and like color scheme, kahit anong concept mo, depende pa rin sa style mo rin yun, eh, kung paano mo, 'di ba,
Totoo.
i-a-approach and yung personal ano mo, flair as a designer, 'di
Yes,
ba?
it
Na eto
affects.
lang yung colors.
Oo.
Mm.
Ako, nakikita ko yung mga renders mo. Sabi ko, "Alam ko kay Mika 'to."
Oh, eh?
Yeah, yes, you have a style.
Ayun, even yung kay Jam meron. And feel ko part siya 'no, like being an ID. Malalaman mo
Yeah.
na eto pala yung style ko. So like,
Yes.
don't overthink guys. Alam niyo na
Yeah.
yun.
Oh, alam
Pinapaalala
niya
lang
na siya.
namin.
No college pa lang alam mo na yung ginagawa mo na yun.
Hmm,
So, don't parang try na mag parang gusto mo mag-debate agad, ganyan. Kung ano yung strengths mo, build on it already.
Hmm.
Kasi number one, you have a short parang may time pressure ka. And then, number two, parang, um, you have to work smart about it.
Yeah.
So, ayan. Ang phrase ko talaga dito ay work smart.
Totoo, na parang ano ko na, nafi-feel ko na yung mantra mo for this.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Grabe. Oh my gosh. So, since nagwo-work smart si Jam, paano mo bina-balance yung studying with rest and to avoid burnout, 'di ba?
Oh.
Mm.
Um, ano ba? Ako, well, I think yung kung meron man akong struggle about my idol journey, it's more of an internal battle. Na
Hmm.
ayun nga, 'di ba, you mentioned before na parang kapagka high achiever ka na and parang sama na meron ng mataas na expectations,
Hmm.
gano'n. You can't help, I mean, you try naman not to, but you can't help
Yes.
but to parang be pressured about it. Like, for example, when people say na, ang galing mo na mag-graph, mag-drawing, for sure,
Mm.
parang papasa ka na, magpa-top ka na, ganyan. Of course, ako kasi, parang medyo private ako as a person. So,
True.
I don't really, I don't really, parang, hindi ako open with my emotions. And, parang, kung mag-rant man ako, mag-rant ako sa sarili ko. Parang ganon. So,
Hmm.
yung struggle ko noon, ay to be able to rely and work with my teammates. And I'm really
Hmm.
blessed na parang si Lord, hindi niya ako hinayaan na mapunta sa route na
Hmm.
ako lang mag-isa. Na alam
Yeah,
alam
that's
niya na
true.
kapag ako lang mag-isa ay mag-overthink ako, di ako matatapos
Mm.
mag-review, di ko alam yung strategies ko. But working with the group, it helped me na parang ma-compartmentalize what's supposed to go
Hmm.
first, ganyan. And then, emotional support as well, na parang alam mo na may kanya-kanya kayong weakness and strengths and tulungan lang talaga
Hmm.
kayo kung paano siya maano. Ayun, work-life balance, ako kapagka hindi ko pinipilit yung sarili ko na mag-review kapagka feeling ko hindi
'Pag
ko na
ayaw mo?
pag ayaw ko na,
Ah,
oo.
yeah, mm.
Parang I let my body breathe, my brain, process all of the siguro time management din, like for example,
Mm.
um, and discipline. Kapagka sinabi mo magre-reading ka today, um mag-read ka talaga. Kaya ako,
Oo.
alam ko meron akong tendency na parang maikli kasi yung attention span ko. So,
Talaga
yung
ba?
yung readings ko naka-space out siya sa number of
Hmm.
pages na kaya ko i-process ng focused ako.
Wow,
So,
mm.
yung ginagawa ko, I let the environment adjust to me, to me and my habits.
Bes
Parang gano'n. Kasi halimbawa, marami namang kasi yung learning style mo, it's different sa learning style ng ibang tao. So, yung
mm.
first step to it is to learn, ano ba yung learning style mo as a person? Ikaw ba yung type na kailangan mo magbasa out loud? Or kailangan mo yung parang bodily kinesthetic ka? Ako kasi kailangan
Mm.
ko nag-change ng locations,
Environment.
physical
Ah,
environment. Kasi
mm.
meron akong parang yung switching cost ko, gano'n. Na after kong gumawa ng isang task, kailangan kong mag-change ng scenery para
Hmm.
makapag-rewire yung brain ko. And gano'n yung ginagawa ko sa kanya. Tapos, kapagka tinatamad na ako or like nafi-feel ko na parang hindi na nagpo-process yung brain ko, I stop and, 'di ko na siya pinipilit. Kaya nung parang days before the exam, of
Mm.
course hindi ko nagawa yung third reading and parang short na rin ako sa
Yeah,
time
gets.
na matapos yung second reading nung other subjects. So, paano yung workaround ko dun, eh, di I took the mock exams. Kasi for sure
Mm.
naman parang, kung inobserve ko kung ano yung pattern ng questions. Anong kind of questions ba yung ina-anticipate natin
Grabe sobrang
dito?
ano nito, work smart. Pati yung pattern, I love
Like,
it.
parang, okay, I have this mock exam from year ganito. And then ganito
Mm.
yung parang set of questions niya. And then from year ganito, parang nag-iba sila. So, familiarize yourself. More of familiarization yung naging strategy ko more than memorization. Kasi
Ganda.
memorization, mabilis siyang makalimutan. Kasi you just um, memorize it by the concept. Parang hindi mo siya nai-internalize talaga.
Totoo.
Familiarization, you have to understand it by heart. And then, kahit na hindi mo matandaan yung exact words and phrases na
Mm.
kailangan mo, mag-activate yung gut feeling mo. Kasi parang na-encounter ko to before.
Ah,
And it's just here. And
mm.
most of the time naman, parang it works. Kasi logic na lang yung next nun. 'Pag familiar ka on something, logic. Kung multiple choice yan, process of elimination. There are other ways to
Hmm.
ano, to do it. So, ayun.
Totoo, echo ko yun kasi siyempre 'pag familiarization nasa long-term memory natin siya, 'di ba?
Oo.
Like compared sa memory lang na memorization lang, surface
Mm.
level. Pagdating ng exam season nakalimutan mo na yun.
Totoo. It also helps na yung association technique.
Yes.
Parang, for example, nakita ko tong certain, let's say, nakakita ko ng Barcelona chair at a
Mm.
certain place. Siya yung
Ah,
maaalala ko
yeah.
kapag ka gano'n. So, parang I would say I'm a mix of like the kinesthetic, tactile person and the
Hmm.
audio-visual. Very visual ako kapag ka nagsasagot. Kailangan makita ko siya, ma-imagine ko ano itsura niya. Ayun. So,
Maybe that's why rin ano, naka-help yung work experience mo diyan kasi na-experience mo on the field. Even the
yes.
standards, 'di ba,
Totoo,
sobrang
sobra.
familiar.
Sobrang edge
Mm.
siya for me kapagka may
Mm.
experience ka na sa field. Kasi maraming design problems na parang na-encounter mo na siya before and you had the opportunity to think about it and to answer
Hmm.
it. So, for example, if ma-encounter mo siya sa board exam, familiar na siya sa'yo and you won't be intimidated by the set of questions sa parang, "Ano ba 'to, napaka-technical nito or what?" I'm not saying na parang kailangan mong memorize yung building code
Hmm.
per se. You just have to know what's habitable, what's not. Parang
Hmm.
ano ba yung typical na tingin mo magiging set of questions later on. Puwede siyang tinuruan mag-ano, mag-predict or mag-assume.
Kaya nga. Puro strategy, eh, 'no, 'di na tinapos ang module.
Ay naku, guys.
Pero totoo yun, Jam, kasi can I just say, like sa ano ko, sa take ko, sa second take ko, hindi ko na natapos yung module, hindi ko na
'Di
binuklat.
ba? So, parang
Mm.
kailangan mo
Nag-compensate yung
i-compress
work
yung ano,
experience.
oo,
Oo.
tsaka kailangan mo parang i-recall yung buong 4 years mo to ano,
Oo.
for that. Ayun,
Mm. So, application better than theory pa rin.
yes. Experience talaga.
Mm.
Sana
Pero
it
yung
will
mga
serve
nagwo-worry
you
na ano, na
na hindi
full-time
pa
review lang
nag-work.
sila, okey lang yan.
Ah,
Si Jaylin, yung
mm.
sa episode niya full-time review yun and she passed. So, it all works, depende pa rin talaga. Sabay
Yeah.
gano'n.
Siguro kung full-time review, parang I'm ano ba magandang strategy? Like, let's say, siguro don't be overwhelmed by the number of
Hmm.
things na parang mababasa mo and all.
Hmm.
Um, I would say better na maganda na mag-consult with previous takers, yung different
Mm.
mock exams. And then, ako mock exam yung nag-save sa'kin kasi dun ko talaga nakita yung ano, parang ano ba yung type of questions
Na
na lalabas.
lumalabas, oo.
Kasi
Galing.
parang halimbawa magme-memorize ako ng different kinds of sockets for light bulbs, ganyan.
Hmm.
What are the odds na lahat sila lalabas? At most one question lang 'yan. So,
Oo.
gano'n. Parang, i-ano mo rin siya, assess mo, like, which are the kung ikaw yung parang ikaw yung organizer ng PRC, and ikaw yung
I love
gumagawa
the
ng
mental
exam. What
level.
is the ano yung thought process mo habang ginagawa yun? So, grabe. The mind of a criminal talaga.
Pero these
Eh,
are the things that people just don't mention. Pero no, sobrang
yeah.
grabe. Para siyang
Ayun.
10 steps ahead.
Yeah, and you won't learn it from school, I guess.
Mm.
Kasi parang medyo traditional pa yung approach. So, ikaw, do your ano na din, siguro parang responsibility on how to discover what's the best, what works best for you. Ayun.
Mm. Know yourself.
Yes, ayan, mindset magic mo yan, Mika.
Know yourself talaga.
Tama, tama. Like,
Grabe.
embrace your weaknesses, guys.
Uy,
Ako na
totoo
hindi
yan.
mapakali sa mga ano, make it work for you. Kasi, oo, ano, like for example, ngayon, dito na lang sa kwarto, kapag halimbawa si Marlo, ganyan, kailangan
Oo.
niyang gumising ng maaga, and then parang kailangan niya mag-run. Ilalagay niya yung phone niya somewhere na di niya kayang abutin. Kasi
Mm.
that way, hindi niya mahihit yung snooze button. He has to get up kasi ang ingay ng alarm.
Mm.
So, ayun.
The
I think may
hacks.
ano, may technique na tawag doon eh. Parang may scientific explanation. Hindi po to haka-haka.
Alam ko meron kasi parang sa Atomic Habits, there was that segment na let it be easy for you to follow through the habit, 'di ba?
Yes, oo.
'Di ba,
Ayun,
gano'n.
exactly.
At magagamit niyo siya sa exam, like preparing
Tama.
for the exam. Oh, totoo yun 'no, like muscle memory actually most of the exam. Sa totoo
Yes.
lang, 'no?
I mean, nung nag-take ka ba, like, how was it for
Mm.
you doing tackling the ano, the academic part?
Academic part, actually di ko masyadong ni-review yung academic part kasi I
Mm.
trusted na may 1 year of experience. Sobrang risk taker. Is
So,
gonna be
ibang
enough for
level ka pala sa'kin.
na grabe tayo mag-meta, eh, 'no? Sobrang
Totoo. Grabe mamaya, hindi na nag-review yung mga
uy,
magte-take. Mag-review pa rin kayo, magbasa pa rin kayo.
hindi. Like sa experience naman namin ni Jam, it's not the first time na we've done this. Kaya namin 'to nasabi kasi it's like experience na rin, built this into us.
Totoo, parang sa 4 years naman na ano
Hmm,
ka, nag-aaral ka, eventually may mga habits ka na nabi-build, and you just have to be
true.
conscious kung ano-ano ba yung, strengths and weaknesses mo. Be cautious,
Mm.
not pretentious mo.
Gusto ko yung may paano pa, yung slogan.
Okay.
Pero totoo, like we can say all these strategies and you can take what resonates. But at the end of the day, syempre, it's up to you
Mhm.
to make it work and to really maximize it based sa kung gaano mo nakakilala yung sarili mo when it comes to
Yes,
doing this,
that's true.
ganun.
Mamaya yung opposite pala ng learning style ko yung nagwo-work for you.
Mm,
So,
that's
don't just
true.
blindly trust.
Nag-disclaimer.
Mamaya kasalanan ko pa kapag ano.
Kapag
Ay,
pumasa sila, oo.
tama, 'pag nag-top sila.
Oo.
Ay,
Pero
ayun.
sa totoo lang ang logical nga ng strategies rin na na-mention ni Jam, like even sa I really like yung sa tools na part kasi these are things that will really save you the decision-making time na you have to
Yes.
do.
Oo. Parang yung pagpili mo pa lang anong line weight ng pen yung
Hmm,
gagamitin ko. Tagal nun. I
totoo.
mean,
Kahit sabihin mong
yeah.
1 minute yun, eh, kung ilang ilang beses ka mag-iisip ng line weight, like
Totoo. Ay.
keep the
Ayun.
momentum.
Yes.
So, meron pa Jam, like siyempre 'di ba, 'pag malapit na talaga, 'pag nag-July na, alam ng magbo-board exam. So ikaw ba, during your time, how did you handle yung stress and pressure during the final stretch? Ayan.
During the final session, eto na ba yung mismong exam proper or before pa lang?
Ano na, let's say a week before the exam week. Where were you that time?
Ah.
How are you?
Ay, well, I've mentioned before na ano 'no, parang more of an internal struggle 'to. So,
Hmm.
um, kung halimbawa, for example, masasabi ko na strong na ako pagdating doon sa skills part, technical part, ganyan. I
Hmm.
know what to do and everything. Pero what really got me was the emotions. Dun ang ano ko, yun ang biggest challenge ko. Na parang syempre everyone was on edge. Of course, meron ding parang may mga times na parang nagkakaroon ka na ng misunderstanding with the people around you, ganyan.
Hmm.
Hindi mo siya maiiwasan kasi parang stressed ka na,
Oo,
malapit na
pressured
siya,
na.
ganyan, pressured ka na. But then, parang at the end of the day, parang it's either magpapatalo ka or you beat your parang own intrusive thoughts.
Yeah!
Ganyan. So, ayun, I surrounded myself with the most important people na talagang I recognize as my main support system. So that would be my batchmates and of course my family and then
Hmm.
my boyfriend. So I'm
Shout out.
really blessed. Yes, I'm really blessed na andyan sila to always remind me na parang last stretch na 'to, kaya natin 'to, we'll do this together. And then
Oh,
siguro
yeah.
nung time na 'to, ito yung peak na as in nag-strengthen yung faith ko kay Lord. It was a spiritual
Hmm.
journey as well
Hmm.
na, um, I remember pumunta ako sa church nun and then parang I gave my first tithe. So, yung
Ever.
ever.
Wow. Mm.
And along with the tithe was a commitment na parang, "Lord, I wanna pass." Yeah, I mean, yung battle cry namin is ever since nag-start kami ng exam, ang
Mm.
mentorship sa'min ay, um, don't just believe na you'll pass. Always think that you will top the board exam.
Oh, ang
Kasi
galing.
yeah, kasi I have this friend of mine na, yung mind-blowing part sa'kin is sinabi niya na parang, "If your mindset is to top the board exam, your fallback is to pass. But
Hmm,
if your mindset is to pass, then your fallback will be to fail." So ako,
grabe,
siyempre dun ako
chills.
sa topic parang reach for the stars na tayo 'no. So it's those encouraging words and parang little push sa back and of course parang, I don't know, yung belief ko sa unknown sa universe kay Lord
Higher powers.
na yeah, sa
Mm.
higher power na everything is under control and
Wow.
whatever happens after, it's all according to the will of the Lord. Parang gano'n. I mean, ang ano niya,
Yes. Amen. Grabe.
parang
Mm.
parang it sounds like I'm romanticizing faith, but once you're there in that very situation, parang ano na lang talaga, it's your belief. Parang willpower pa
Yes.
rin na kaya mong mag-push through kasi ano ba naman 'to, it's just like one of the many obstacles and challenges that
Mm.
I will have to face. The board exam is just like the first part of your journey as a professional, and
Yeah.
then parang after that, there will be more to come in different forms and in different parang
Mm.
types. So, the board exam, passing the board exam is your parang testament na this is my rite of passage.
Oo.
Gano'n. Sa as a professional. Yun.
Mm.
Yeah.
Oh, I love na minention ni Jam yung faith. Totoo. Parang yun yung ano, like biggest ingredient. Kasi you can prepare all you want,
Yes.
but you'll
Oo.
never be prepared. And what gives you this feeling na prepared ako would be like the faith na whatever happens, I do believe na this is, di ba, na I am
Yeah.
supported. Mm.
Para siyang yung confidence nandun siya nanggagaling and also yung parang manifestation mo na
Mm.
parang there's nothing limiting you to do something. Kasi everything is possible naman. So,
Mm.
parang to people na sinasabi nila na gusto ko lang naman pumasa, it's free to say na I will top the board
Mm.
exam. Kasi wala naman pumipigil sa'yo. I mean, if you topped, edi very nice. If you passed,
Oo.
still nice. At least you give it your parang yung aligned yung mind, yung body
Hmm.
mo eh, doon sa gusto mong mangyari. Kasi kapag ka may disconnect siya, especially if it's in your mind and your
Hmm.
emotions, parang may-affect niya yung body mo and in the end, parang nandun na yung ninenervyos ka and then parang kakaini ka na ng doubts,
Hmm.
madederail ka na sa exam. And then eventually, parang pagsisisihan mo na lang kasi parang, bakit hindi ako nagtiwala sa sarili ko? Parang gano'n.
Totoo yan, totoo yan. And just to
So,
echo yung kay Jam, like the way it works kasi, like yung belief natin, it really informs the way we behave, the way we perform. So if una pa
oo.
lang, yun nga, alignment. If una pa lang, alam mo na talaga na, okay, it's really to top and then fall back pass. Parang
Yes.
sobrang inevitable na napapasa talaga ako. 'Di ba?
Totoo.
Just
Parang,
a
ang
matter of
weird
anong
naman kung
score.
hindi ako papasa.
Totoo, 'di
Gano'n.
ba? Wow!
Yeah.
This is the top notcher mind,
Oh
grabe.
my
Please
gosh.
absorb yung energy na 'to.
Giving you positive energy. Ayan.
Mm.
Actually, if I remember, parang, nag-jump na ako sa mismong exam proper. Pero, during the last day, sobrang vivid nitong memory na to sa akin.
Mhm.
Kasi, feeling ko siya yung breakthrough ko.
Oh,
Um,
let's see.
nasa ano ko, I was preparing for the design part. And then, I did my morning ritual. So, parang, nag-exam muna ako, ganyan. And then,
Oo,
joke, wala na pala exam doon. So, parang more of preparation na lang ng mga materials ko. And then,
materials,
early morning, um, nasa CR ako. And then, pinipep talk ko lang yung sarili ko na parang, kaya mo 'to. Tapos parang habang nagsho-shower ako or naliligo, ganyan. Meron akong playlist
Hmm.
na lahat siya puro Christian songs 'yun. And,
Mm.
yung isang song dun, it's entitled "To the Dreamers" by, For King and Country. It's my fight song, personal fight song. Kasi yun yung time na kasi nag-deliverance ako. And then parang after, I feel so refreshed.
Mhm.
So, parang iniwan ko lahat sa ano, sa CR. Lahat
Oo,
ng
lahat ng
mga
worries
doubts
mo,
ko,
oo.
oo. And
Wow!
parang yung
Goosebumps.
yung lyrics lang niya is more of like parang, "To the dreamers, wide-eyed believers, hanging by a hope or a friend. To the dreamers, keep on charging ahead." So parang gano'n lang talaga like, tawag dito? More of the positive energy.
Mm,
So
mm.
ayun,
Like yung
that's my
conviction talaga na no matter
oo.
what,
Totoo.
this is the
Parang si
vision.
Lord na yung ano, parang aawayin ko kapagka ano, naiyak ako. Oh my God.
Jam, grabe yung kinabot ko dun, really. When you said
Ay,
breakthrough story, totoo. And it comes at the times na you need it most.
yes.
Talaga.
Ay, every time kasi na
Oo.
nire-revisit ko yung memory na yun, parang it really, parang bumabalik yung lahat ng memory sa'kin and yung feeling,
Mm.
hindi ko siya
Yeah.
ma-explain, but
Pero totoo.
oo, totoo siya.
The body
Kaya,
remembers talaga.
yeah. The mind
Grabe
forgets
kinabot
but
ko
the body
dun.
remembers.
Always. Grabe.
Yes.
Grabe yun, sobrang treasure ng moment na yun for you. Like,
Totoo. And
wow.
it's ano, a very private moment. It's just me and God communicating.
Yeah.
And no one knows na parang, no one's there, walang external thing na parang mag-i-influence sa akin. So parang it's more
Hmm.
of, siya yung biggest internalization ko all throughout. Ayun.
Parang ni-remind ka 'no, na, "Uy,
Yeah.
eto na, ito na yun."
Nandito pala si Lord, katabi ko pala. Maybe
Always
that's the
pala.
reason why natapos ko yung plate. Why
Yes,
sobrang
even if
ultra
totoo.
clear yung mind ko nun. So,
Oh my
ayun.
gosh. Totoo 'no, kasi 'di ba usually kung ano yung pinractice mo, that's how you would perform. Pero ikaw, 'di
Yes.
ba, hindi naman natapos yung ibang sheets, eh, during the
Yeah.
practice. Pero
So,
wow.
belief lang talaga kasi if inisip ko pa na, hala, hindi ko natapos yung iba, paano pa ngayon? Ano pa pinagkaiba? Instead of that,
Hmm.
more on the, kaya ko ngayon. Ito na yung one time, big time ko to shine. Ayun.
Totoo.
Yeah,
Sobrang
so
ano nun,
happy.
oo, doubt killer, gano'n.
Yeah. Tsaka yung siguro naka-help din na yung katabi ko, ang bilis niya talagang mag-work. So, parang
Na ano ka?
pinapantayan ko yung pace niya. Oo. So, kung may katabi man kayo na mabilis, baka maka-help na ano.
Leverage po their momentum.
Yeah.
Uy, pero totoo yan. Malay mo if kayo rin yung mabilis, kayo yung maka-inspire rin sa kanila na bumilis, 'di
Tama.
ba? It's not really a
Yeah.
competition at the end of it.
Yeah, kahit di kayo
Totoo.
magkakakilala, alam mo yung parang when you just smile to each other, parang alam mo na
Yeah.
hindi naman kayo magkakaaway. Kapagka
Mm.
halimbawa may kulang ka pang ano, alam ko na kulang ako nun ng A4 or ano na, sige
Oo.
na, namimigay sila. Everyone
Oh
is
my
ano, tapos parang siya
God.
wala siyang nung bulldog clip, so binigyan ko siya. Ayun, nagkaroon
Mm.
pa ako ng friend after the ano, idol.
May take out pa siya, may souvenir.
Totoo, ay naku.
Pero
Ay,
totoo 'no, like if you could really like help someone rin that way and like cheer for their success, siyempre yung
yes.
success lalong mas pupunta sa'yo because you celebrate
Yeah.
rin.
Tsaka yung karma
Wow!
'no, parang if you do good unto
Yeah,
others, will go back to you tenfold.
totoo, totoo,
Ayun.
totoo.
Pero
And
may
just to
quotable
note,
quotes.
baka may mga kinabahan sa karma. Karma is really just the energy you give out, the energy that comes
Yes.
back to you. So, 'di ba? If puro good deed
Yes,
'yan, lalo ngayon na magbo-board exam, sabay gano'n.
tama. Ayan, kaya
Ipon na
namimigay
kayo.
ng good deed 'to si Vika.
Tapos
Ano
na ako.
mina-manifest mo ngayon?
Oh, I really just want wala, like for this passion project, I really just want a resource for them na I wish I had when I was
Mhm.
preparing. So,
Aw,
oo,
well, lucky
ayun.
you guys.
Lucky you and sobrang ano na wow, top notchers po ang resources natin dito.
Grabe na
Like
talaga yung
like
connections
Jam,
niya. I'm just a
grabe.
normal person.
So, sinasabi mo
Ah,
pa rin yung, ano, I'm a normal person ta's yung breakthroughs mo, yung hacks mo, extraordinary.
oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Okay,
Ayan.
sige,
Thank you for
jump
giving me the
hmm,
platform to share.
of course.
Ayan.
Sabi ko nga kay Jam kapag may mga nagtanong na sa kanya, "So, ano yung mga ano mo, idle tips?" Eto na.
Ito na. Bibigay ko na lang yung link.
Oo, and like it's really our way rin of immortalizing yung board exam journey namin in a way. So,
Yeah.
wow, kinilig agad. Parang,
Yun.
na-excite.
Oo.
Okay. Jump tayo ano, Jam, sa idea na, wow,
Okay.
waiting na sila sa results tapos na yung exam.
Mm.
So, ano yung ma-a-advice mo sa mga nag-aantay na ng results pagdating sa waiting game, 'di ba? How were you during that time?
The waiting game, it came by in a flash to me. I didn't really
Hmm,
dread yung waiting
wow.
game. Kasi
Mm,
parang nung time na yon, syempre ano, as an overthinker, yung ginawa ko ay meron akong notes and then
mm.
sa phone and then kinompute ko na yung ano, yung score ko.
Score mo? I love
Oo.
it! Grabe, grabe
Kinompute
ka!
ko na just to see if
Mm.
magpa-pass ako. Parang ito yung meron akong dalawang computation. So, isang
Wow!
just for the pass and then isang conservative and isang parang feeling kong I can still reach this ano, ito yung extreme,
Hmm,
other extreme end.
yeah.
So, meron akong nung
Wow.
nakita ko naman na parang, merong part na papasa ako, o di sure, eh di nice, ganyan. Tapos after that, nung nabigyan ako ng, parang assurance, kung sarili pala yung nag-a-assure. Oo, parang
Mm,
I didn't really think of it too much kasi ayun nga, parang sinabi ko nga before na I did my best. I gave it my best shot. And, siguro nung time na nagwe-wait ako, yung mindset ko lang ay pumasa ako, nag-top ako. And the thing that solidified that one is yung pagpunta ko lagi sa church and
mm.
every time na magbibigay ako ng tithes, lagi kong sinasabi na, "Lord, bigay mo 'to sa'kin, magto-top ako." So,
Oh,
ayun.
pinag
So, the waiting game for me was more of a parang exciting part na naghihintay lang ako ng parang
Ng
vision.
rank.
Oo. Ay, grabe!
Ng
Naghihintay ako ng
rating.
vision from God. I mean, sure ako
Oo.
napapasa ako, pero hindi ko
Yes.
sure na kung magto-top ako. So, siguro yung parang pinaka-intense part of the waiting game was yung few moments just before the results were out. So, lahat kami nasa
Hmm.
office nun, ganyan. And magkakasama kami. Everyone was already celebrating. It was a victory party. Before the
Wow,
results were
grabe.
already out. As in, mina-manifest na namin na papasa kami lahat. We will see our names on the screen. And syempre, yung una namang nilalabas doon is yung top 10, di ba?
Mm.
So, the time na yon we had drinks. Para in case liquid courage. Ganyan.
Mm.
And ano. Tapos, if parang yung nare-remember ko noon ay nasa office, nasa pantry kami lahat. We were just chanting, cheering, ganyan. Biglang tumayo yung, yung kapatid ni Miss Rain. So, Miss Rain is top 4. And then, sumigaw siya.
Mm.
Sabi niya,
Oh
Miss
my
Rain,
God.
top 4 ka! Ganon. And that was the
Grabe.
time na parang, um, lahat kami lumabas. Naka-projector siya.
Oh my
And then,
God.
parang, hinahanap ko lang yung name ko. Asan yung Alba? I just wanna see Alba. Tapos parang, ayun, thankfully, God gave me that spot
Grabe.
na, um, I called my family and they were not surprised. They were happy, of course, and
Wow.
excited. Pero, they were telling me na parang, the moment na you asked it, that spot was already yours. So, ayun.
Grabe.
Parang grabe
Goosebumps.
yung affirmation ko nun,
Mm.
nung time na yun. And I would say parang lahat ng pagka wala yung negativity sa'yo, hindi mo siya maa-attract. So, lahat ng positive energy, ayan, in-attract ko silang lahat. And thankfully naman, nag-ano siya, nag-bear fruit siya.
Mm.
So, ayun, ako more than the passing and the topping ako ng individual, mas kinabahan pa ako and mas nilook forward ko yung time na lahat from UP would pass and
Oh,
then
Diyan.
parang uh, all of our teammates will pass. Kasi grabe, mas masarap yung win kapagka may kasama kang ano,
Hmm.
nagse-celebrate.
Totoo.
So, ayun, it was a nice. I remember during the start of our review season, may bisita kami parang cafe.
Mm.
And meron siyang whiteboard wall doon. Tapos, kami, nagsulat lang kami, parang Idol top 1, lahat kami Idol top 1, ganyan. May mga code names pa kami, ganyan.
Ang
So,
galing.
now that I think about it, parang may mga delulo na top ng top, ganyan. Well, eventually
Pero,
naman, it delivered. So, guys,
yeah.
manifest nyo yan. Oo. I won't
Ang
be able to
galing.
accomplish this on my own naman. So, having the right people around, the mindset, yung manifestation, it's one thing kasi it's in your mind. But if yung hindi siya nasusundan ng action,
Yes,
then
true.
it's useless. So,
Mm.
ayun. Wag lang tayo purely manifestation. It's also work. Ayun.
Totoo. And
Yeah.
I'd like to echo that kasi that's so true. Like, manifestation isn't just mental. You really have to do actions kasi we live in a 3D world. We live in a 3D
Yeah.
world. Ayun.
Oo. Ayun siya
Grabe
for
yung nag-translate lahat. so grabe. Like,
yeah.
hearing your story makes me really appreciate so much more yung journey na you went through, Jam. And
Ah,
it's such a
thank
blessing to hear this.
you.
Grabe, sobra. Oh my.
Ayun. I wanted to share it kasi parang, ano siya eh, it's a unique experience for me.
Mm.
I, for one, am a person who's very negative, a pessimist at that. Every time I
Mm.
think of something, every time I take an action, parang what's the worst case scenario? Ganun ako. Ako si worst case
Hmm.
scenario.
Or
So,
ganun ka before?
Bef
Hmm.
before.
Oh,
So,
I love
parang
it.
yung ano, parang itong idol journey ko, parang hindi ako 'to. It was like, parang nag-evolve, gano'n. So, it's parang more than the passing and the topping, yung na-learn ko sa sarili ko,
Mm.
sa parang yung interpersonal aspect as well, how to interact with others, work with the team. Yun yung mga lessons na mas bina-value ko kasi ano siya eh, parang naging instrument yung idol for me to experience those kinds of things. So, for you guys who are taking the idol, don't be so hard on yourself. And take it as a parang moment din na kilalanin yung sarili niyo. And then parang just to trust the process and ayun, kasi huwag tayong maging ano, GC masyado. Ayan. Kasi ano, basta yeah, it's the memories talaga na siguro 10 years from now, yung mga memories na yun yung
Yeah.
mabe-bring mo with you. And happy siya kapag ka naaalala mo, you look back to it, ganyan.
Oo, the journey, the stories,
Yeah.
ipon ng kwento, 'no?
Totoo, yung mga
Actually.
nakakatawang part, yung mga nag-sleepover kami sa office.
Pero lahat yun nag-contribute talaga sa momentum na
Yes.
eventually led you there. Ang galing. So,
Starting is the
wow.
hardest part talaga. So once you
Mm.
have the momentum, yun na yun, tuloy-tuloy na siya. Ride it.
Yeah.
Don't resist it.
Ride niyo hanggang sa top notchers list.
Tama.
Talaga. Wow, Jam.
Do
Okay, okay. So for our next part, grabe sobrang sobrang juicy and everything. I'm so sure na meron silang takeaway from this. Na yun na lang at yun yung iisipin nila. The
yes.
moment you hear it, your body knows it's what you need. So guys, don't feel pressured if maraming strategies na nabigay. Just remember,
Totoo. Yeah,
just
familiarize
remember to
yourself.
familiarize. Yeah, balik sa sarili.
Tama.
Oh
Totoo.
my. So, quick fire round tayo, Jam. So, for this part, one word or short phrase yung ano, yung answer. Go,
Oh my God.
ready? Woo!
Mag-overthink.
Gut feel. Sabi mo, gut feel.
Paki-activate yung gut feel ko dito.
Eto yun. Eto yung light strokes muna.
Oh my God. Okay, game.
Okay. Okay, game. A go-to study resource or app na you'd recommend?
I'd say manual pa rin.
Natetempt ako magtanong mo.
Ay,
Ay,
wait. I have one app pala that I use. Focus
oh,
Plant. So, it's a Pomodoro
oh.
timer. It's my only app that I use na helps me.
Grabe, simplicity builds mastery.
I love it.
Okay, next. One word to describe your board exam journey.
Humbling.
Grabe. Lastly, a mantra that help you push through the tough days.
Bye, Faith. It's our, battle cry. Even to the very end. May video pa kami doon. Para, how are you gonna top the board? Are you gonna top the boards? We don't know. How are you gonna do it? Bye, Faith. Parang ganun lang.
Grabe, goosebumps.
Yeah.
Grabe, Jam.
Yeah.
Wow, super, super grateful again and again for this opportunity. Grabe.
Yeah.
Ah,
Camera shy pa
and
ako.
oo nga eh. I'd also want to celebrate Jam for like
Oh.
really giving us this opportunity na recorded po with
Oh my
video.
gosh. Thank you.
Grabe.
Yeah. Thank you for making this so relaxed and fun and conversational. You're
Oh.
such a good conversationalist.
Thank you, Jam. You are too. Grabe, sobrang juicy ng everything and like the flavor you brought into this. And of
Yeah.
course, para sa mga listeners who want to connect with you, how can they reach you?
Um, through IG na lang. My IG is Jumbrella. With a double A sa dulo, ganyan. Um, or just find me sa Messenger. You can tag me, guys. Ask me for
Oh,
anything. It's Jam Alba and ayun, if hindi niyo ako mahanap, please tap me ka Doria.
Sige, ako
Sa
yung
ating
ako magsasabi ko. Oo.
oo, mag-bridge natin. But, if you need advice or help, especially, for example, if you wanna, um, gusto niyo ipa-critic yung drawings, go, wow, go
Wow!
lang,
Grabe
I'm open
dyan!
to,
Wow!
ayan. And kung gusto niyo namin talaga ng kausap, sure, I'm a yapper. So, ayun. Ayun.
Grabe the generosity. It's
Yeah, that's my
here.
pay it forward,
Oh!
for the other takers. And I wanna
Wow.
share din na sana ma-feel nila yung same feeling that I had. Or maybe better na they had their
Mm.
also ma-enjoy nila in their own unique way yung idol journey.
Yes. That's so true. Grabe, Jam. Sobrang, sobrang sweet mo. And, and I say, like, guys, yeah, hingi kayo feedback kay Jam if you have it na. And if you're ready. Kasi, wow.
Yeah. Kasama ko yung top
This,
notcher, roommate ko. So, guys.
actually, yung roommates niya, top-notchers. Meron pong marami pong top-notcher eyes ang he-help sa inyo to really make it.
Ay, grabe.
Grabe.
Grabe. Baka
So,
ma-pressure sila.
yun. Hindi yan. Thank you so much,
Thank
Jam.
you, Rin, so much, Mika.
Yes, we're wrapping
Ay.
up this special episode with Jam. So, guys, this is your top-notcher energy booster.
Ano
Alright.
pala, delulu pala yung top notcher energy.
Kasi it delivers. Delulu
Yeah.
delili.
Oh my gosh. That's a new mantra for you. It's okay to be
Delulu is
delulu
not
if it
delili.
delivers.
Yeah! Yes. Amen po to that.
Yeah. Tama.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much,
Thank you so much,
Jam.
Mika, and I hope marami akong na-share na useful for
For
our
sure.
future takers. Ayan.
Yeah. That's a wrap for today's episode. I hope these insights gave you clarity, courage, confidence, and peace as you prepare for your own board exam journey. I have something special coming up, an entire Italy podcast special where I sit down with recent board passers and top notchers to break down their strategies, mindset shifts, and everything they wish they knew before taking the exam. So if you are serious about passing, make sure to follow Mindset Magic with Mika so you don't miss an episode. We're here to set you up for success. Until next time, trust yourself, take up space, and keep going. You got this. You are the main character of your life. If this episode sparked something in you, share it with a friend or tag me at Mika Daria on Instagram. I'd love to see how you're stepping into your magic. And if you're loving the podcast, please leave a review. It helps more visionaries, achievers, and creatives like you find this space. And as always, let's shift into our main character energy together. Keep shining, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.